What if I told you you could take the AI you generate every single day and turn into real money-making business in just a few hours with absolutely zero cash upfront? As a creator, we spend hours and hours with ComfyUI, Stable Diffusion, Gemini, making incredible images. But let's be honest, we all want financial freedom. We want to build passive income. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to start your own online business from scratch. The secret to make it happen is Printify. They are sponsor of today's video, but it's exactly the platform I recommend to turn your digital art into physical cash. Printify is a print-on-demand platform that empowers you to start your business with absolutely zero upfront cost. You design, they print, they ship it, and you keep the profit. No inventory, no boxes, absolutely zero cash needed for start. Let's walk through exactly how to do this. First, we need the amazing design. You know, I love my atomic punk and Japanese sci-fi style. And I'm to jumping inside the AI to generate highly detailed images, graphics. And this is based on a character from my latest book. You can use it at different services. Here, for example, we render inside the Gemini. When you create in Gemini, keep in mind right here, little symbol Gemini will add it. However, the similar things you can render inside or create it with ChatGPT. ChatGPT does not put any of the symbol. You also can utilize Adobe Firefly to create something similar image, but you can also utilize using ComfyUI on your computer. Using ComfyUI give you the freedom of wherever you want to create with absolutely no restrictions, and with wide variety of the models you can find what you like it. I would recommend for you, like right here, use a special anime. I prefer a little bit more line art because it's a very well translated when we start printing on a shirt, or if you do embroidery, it will work excellent in this case with a limited amount of the colors and less gradient. In my case, I love how this image look. In this case, it is a Tengu, so it's worked perfectly for me. Next, let's take our AI design into Printify. They have the best prices. They have absolutely one of the largest selections of the products. You know, just a stock to the t-shirts. You can put your AI art on the backpacks, coffee mugs, posters, phone case, pillows, like almost anything you can imagine. So let's go ahead, and for our test, we're going to select a high quality t-shirt. You already have it, best selections. From my personal experience, I like getting these kind of 500 ones. It's very heavy duty, nice. So I love this one. And this is so thick, you cannot even see through. So it's very good. Next, DG, and click on Start Design. And here we can simply just drag and drop our design. Every time when you drag and drop, it's add to your collection. So next time what you can do, you just open my library, click, and it will add for you. You know, just to start create your image up front, you can also change backside, sleeves, labels on the neck, whatever you like it. As well, you can click on select variants and select all different colors of the t-shirt that you think it will look great. So let's go ahead and save product. Next, we're going to add markup and going to save selection. I just drag and drop my PNG into short. You can see how easy it is. Now, one of the biggest headache with e-commerce, it is shipping. I have it my experience. I used to print even t-shirts locally at my home and we ship it. And trust me, this business, you don't want to get it in. It's never worth it how much effort and money you spend. But it's not with a Printify. They have a vast printing network across US and Europe. This is meaning your products are printed locally to your customers. So it will allow you to avoid this crazy international fees, customs, and your customers get the items incredibly fast to make your product available in Europe. Be sure you click on this general product safety guard, which is allowed to add it. Remember how I told you the price is incredibly low? Check on this. the retails, so you still make 40% on that t-shirt profit. And t-shirt still sells for only $15.83. This is incredible low price for the very high quality t-shirt. And let's pop up here a little bit higher. We'll go back maybe to even 50% profit. Okay, which is still make $20 for the t-shirt, very reasonable, and you still producing almost $10, $9.50 per each t-shirt. I mean, it is great price. Let's go next. Click publish. Now your product is ready. And here come up question: how do you actually sell the product you created? One of the step, the easy can be embedded inside your web page, just like this. Very simple. They can purchase from your web page or Facebook or any other social media. But this is only one step. Printify integrates seamlessly with the biggest e-commerce platform on the internet. Just with few clicks, you can connect Printify directly to Etsy store, Shopify, even TikTok store. And as well, you can create your store directly here in Printify. Right here, it's a geekatplay.printify.me, my own web store. You can also sell your products with Printify directly on your YouTube channel or any other social media platform. It's a truly universal shopping. If you want to achieve financial freedom, it's no time to wait. The best time for building your future success is right now. Everyone can earn a strong income with Printify. All what you need to do is take your first step today. Go to the link from my description that is down below, sign up for the Printify, it's free, and start your new business right now. Thank you very much to Printify for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.